Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of DuckDuckGo app. You will click on settings. In this first page, you will go to settings. Here you will find this page like this. Then you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will write the name of the application of DuckDuckGo as you see. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo. Then you can update your app, so please don't forget